is scheduled for 3 2-minute rounds. Introducing your fighters first in the red corner. He weighed in at 70 kilograms. From Blackpool, representing JT Boxing, Loftus. And his opponent standing across the cage in the blue corner. He too weighed in at 70 kilograms. From Blackburn, representing Blackburn Predators, Corey Fry. Your referee in charge is Simon Stanley.
So, ladies and gentlemen, a multitude of changes, last-minute changes may I add to the card, culminates in Lewis Loftus fighting Corey Fry. Corey Fry stepping in literally on no more than 60 minutes notice to save the fight after Lewis's original opponent was not deemed medically fit.
Again, though, I've seen Corey Fry fight in the past. He's a very he's been fighting a while, you know, and I'm pretty sure he's very capable of stepping up to a fight in less than 60 minutes, as we're going to find out, I should imagine, Chris.
Yeah, been around the amateur circuit for a long time in MMA, UKFC champion. He's just a fighter. You can see he looks like he's been preparing for this for weeks. He's calm and collected, obviously the taller of the two. Lewis is the shorter, a little bit more stocky at the weight. But like I said, Corey stepping in an hour's notice doesn't necessarily mean much to him. Looks more than comfortable in there.
It looks like he's trying to finish this fight in the first round, to be fair, does Corey.
Yeah, now he's sort of roping open his opponent, Roy Jones in him. But Loftus, like I said, very, very capable boxers, just trying to work out the puzzle of how to get on the inside. And he'll keep coming. Oh, beautiful body shot from Fry. Right to the liver. And as soon as it landed, Loftus grimaced and took the knee. He seems okay by it, but what a damaging blow that was. Beautiful body hook. Again, shot to the same spot. Again. And I don't think he's going to answer the 10 count on this occasion. Corey Fry looks like he knows it's over. And I think it is. He's not going to answer the 10 count.
Yeah, it's over.
And absolutely devastating performance.
Corey Fry, he was putting in some beautiful body shots there. They were nice body shots.
Yeah, so superb performance culminates in a round 1 technical knockout. For your winner, Corey Fry, will go in cage to make this one official.
Fighters to the central podium. Ladies and gentlemen, the end of the contest comes at 1 minute and 49 seconds of the very first round. Declaring your winner by knockout, Corey Fry! Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for your runner-up, Lewis Loftus!